really shaky though. Yes.
Moeilijk te nemen.
Also in the car, it's like.
It was so brilliant. We had a Japanese couple come visit us, and he videoed.
I think we're fixing to see the big one.
Oh my
So
God.
they came walking down the path that he was
Thousands, thousands as far as your eye can see.
He was like videoing me, and then he was walking to his tent and videoing, and then
All coming to the crossing at Entim, gathering.
So I said to them at the end of the trip, I was like, you must have a lot of very good video footage. And they're like, yeah.
So we will run when the time comes.
Really? Oh my God, hours and hours.
Wildebeest.
When are you gonna take a look at it?
Hot air balloon.
When are we gonna watch?
From camp.
There's so many of them on this side, it makes the river crossing shorter.
So they pile up.
Yeah.
Fortunate for these guys, no crops in this area. Through camp.